Welcome to our full guide on how to allow specific friends to see a post on Facebook before it's posted. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to start creating a new post. Step 2. Tap on What's on Your Mind to begin composing your post, whether it's a text update, photo, or video. Step 3. Look for the audience selector, typically located below your name, and tap on it to adjust the post's privacy settings. Step 4. From the options presented, select specific friends to choose who can view the post. Step 5. Select the specific friends you want to share the post with before posting it. Step 6. After selecting the specific friends, tap on Done to confirm your choices. Step 7. Once you have customized the audience settings to specific friends, tap on Post to share your post with the selected individuals. By following these steps, you can ensure that only specific friends can see your post on Facebook before it's published, allowing you to control who views your content. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to allow specific friends to see a post on Facebook before it's posted. Enhance your Facebook experience by customizing the audience settings of your posts to share content with specific friends before making it public. Enjoy connecting and engaging with your chosen friends through personalized posts on Facebook.